Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. It is an amazing, beautiful day here in Zone 7B. Thank you so much for stopping by. We're getting ready to do some de-weeding in the garden, sponsored by Ezark. 4-piece garden tool set that is absolutely amazing. It makes the job so easy, and I'm going to show you the tools and just how to use them.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
We are back, and before we go over and get the weeds up out of the garden, and I'm going to show you some other things with the other tools as well. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take a second to subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Follow me on my Facebook group. The group is for you. I want to see what you're growing in your garden. Post those pics, post those videos. It's Container Crops on Facebook, and you can always find me on IG at the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up the video and share it out. Let's head on over to the weeds. Now, one more thing before we go over, I want to show you each of these tools individually. They are absolutely amazing. They're made of 100% stainless steel, heavy gauge stainless steel, ash wood handle with a cowhide holding leather strap. Each one is made of impeccable material. It will last you as long as you maintain them. This is the regular trowel. Now, this is a 4-piece set, and they sponsored this video, and I will be doing a giveaway for one of these complete 4-piece sets. So make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss that video. So this is tool number 1. Next up, we have our hand rake. Again, the handle is made of ash wood, and it's engraved on here with Ezark. Again, you have your cowhide handle strap so that you can hang your tools. Good, heavy gauge stainless steel. Next, we have our transplanting trowel. Can you see the numbers on there? The numbers on there are your gauge to transplanting. So if you need something of a depth of 1 inch, all the way up to 4 inches, and probably 6 inches if you go all the way up here. Again, this is heavy gauge stainless steel. It's not going anywhere. This is a tool set that you can have for life. Oh my goodness, it is amazing, and it has some weight to it as well. I love it. And out of the group, my favorite, the Deweeder. This makes life so easy, so simple. Oh my goodness. We'll be showing you how to do this one first, because this, out of the whole tool set, is my absolute favorite. Again, it's heavy gauge stainless steel, engraved, and it has a cowhide handle. So let's go on over and start de-weeding. Okay, so this is the weed that we're going to take out. And this part right here, you just put on the weed, you use this as leverage to pull down, and it pulls it up. So you just go in like that, right down at the base, and then you want to, I need to turn this way because of my pot, put it in, grab it, push down, and it comes right up. Look at that, it comes right up. That is absolutely amazing. So easy, so easy. Now, using our transplant trowel with the numbers on it, we are going to pull this one up, and we are going to go over and transplant it. The first thing we want to do is go around it so we won't mess up our roots. Pull it up. Now we're going to take it over to our next spot, and I'm going to show you how we're going to transplant it from there. Okay, I'm going to plant it right here in this corner, and looking at the base of the roots here, looks like we're right at about the 4-inch mark on the trowel. So I need to dig down about 4 inches. And we can measure it really well. We don't have to worry about guessing. Put it down there. I can see where that 4 inches is. We have our hole now. We're going to put this right down in it. Perfect fit, perfect fit. Pat that soil back around it and we'll water it in a little later. Measurements on here are amazing. That was quick, simple, and easy. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today. This is an amazing gardening tool set. Thank you, Ezark, for sponsoring this video and sponsoring the giveaway. That will be coming up. So stay tuned for the giveaway video and make sure you're subscribed. Turn on that notification bell so that you can have a chance to have one of these gardening tool sets too. And one more thing, if you can't wait for the giveaway and you just must have this amazing tool set now, there is going to be an exclusive discount code down in the description and I'll pin it to the comments as well. You can receive 20% off of your own and you don't have to wait for the giveaway. So go ahead and get yours today. Okay, thank you so much once again for coming and hanging out with me today on this beautiful day in my garden. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And until next time, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.